Welcome everyone! Today, we will introduce AI-powered operations and maintenance solutions, which is our first key topic. AI operations and maintenance involves experts using tool data to analyze, solve, and predict problems. By integrating large models, breaking down barriers between data and business, and empowering digital processes with automation and intelligent resource management, we enhance efficiency. WRDTech Operations and Maintenance offers a rich product portfolio, deep expert experience, and technological leadership. It delivers 100 times faster troubleshooting, 30 times quicker report writing, saves 8 hours weekly on inspections, improves repair analysis by 50%, and supports over 200 scenarios. Next, we move to the second section, AI plus O&M, exploring how AI technology empowers operations and maintenance management. AI plus operations and maintenance combines business operation data and comes with expert experience to provide virtual AI support. Features include one-click O&M, expert inspections, alarm priority analysis, and root cause analysis, enabling rapid fault detection and data analysis. AI operations and maintenance involves 3 steps. First, AI analyzes to identify issues. Then, an AI inspection plan is created and device data is queried. Finally, a wireless quality analysis report is generated, highlighting high-priority issues and basic user information. Through expert inspection, using preset inspection templates and AI-planned processes, focused reports on wireless network health are produced, emphasizing key points and performance indicators to improve inspection efficiency and accuracy. In alarm priority analysis, AI handles alarm analysis and inspection flow, presenting detailed alarm information, key summaries, and delivering instant notifications via WeChat and email to ensure timely responses. AI operations and maintenance conducts full link analysis to locate fault root causes, supports repairs, and recommends inspection plans. Leveraging user repair reports and AI diagnostic steps, it offers root cause analysis and solution suggestions to improve O&M outcomes. The third section, AI plus data, introduces how artificial intelligence integrates with data to support operational management. AI plus data governance uses AI for data analysis and report generation, covering O&M work summaries, rapid resource usage analysis, and indicator risk warnings to optimize network operations and predict potential failures. By combining multiple intelligent agents, data is automatically captured, analyzed, and organized. Based on questions, AI generates detailed reports with images and text, showcasing equipment statistics, work order scoring, and user quality analysis to enhance data processing efficiency. The fourth section focuses on AI plus service, discussing how AI technology improves service experience and operational efficiency. AI plus service enhances repair experience through multimodal analysis, intelligent information extraction, AI responses, and automatic dispatching, elevating automation and intelligence levels. Expected effects of AI plus service include using historical tickets and knowledge bases to improve resolution efficiency, linking monitoring state indicators, offering analysis and suggestions, and supporting automatic recommended replies. By integrating historical data and monitoring metrics, intelligent problem root cause analysis allows rapid service request responses. This achieves automated and intelligent processing workflows, significantly boosting operational efficiency and user satisfaction. Continuous service process optimization strengthens intelligent reply capabilities, enabling automatic dispatch and fault resolution suggestions, driving intelligent upgrades in operations and services. The WRDTech solution empowers IT digital transformation by shifting from passive to proactive operations and maintenance, supporting efficient O&M management goals for 2025.